Hello. In this video, I want to explain the easy and correct way to connect your Bluetooth earbuds to your phone, no matter the brand. This method works for any model. First, make sure that the Bluetooth on your phone is turned on, and activate the search option so your device can display the list of available devices. Second, if your earbuds are brand new, check that they don't have the protective tape that prevents the earbuds from charging inside the case and also stops them from turning on. You must remove that plastic. After checking that, make sure the charging case shows a small LED light, which indicates that the earbuds are receiving power. Let them charge long enough so they don't turn off during the pairing process. Leave them charging for about 15 minutes. After that, take the earbuds out of the charging case and in the list of available devices, tap on the name of your earbuds to connect them to your phone. Once connected, they will automatically pair and start working. If you need to disconnect the earbuds to connect them to another device, just go to the Bluetooth settings. Look for your earbuds, enter the configuration menu, and select the unpair option. After that, they will be available to connect to any other device, such as another phone, a computer, a tablet, or a smartwatch. If they don't connect automatically, check if your headphones have a button that, if pressed for a couple of seconds, will start flashing until they appear in your phone's device search list and you can connect them. This usually happens with brand name headphones like Sony, Samsung, Huawei, and others. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed, gave it a thumbs up, and left a comment. Cheers everyone, and see you in the next video.